Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is 29 January 2024, Monday, the first trading day for the week, and the next only 2 more days of trading for this month. So first the levels, then the power of technical analysis. First, FinNifty, it closed at 2413.35, 1.56% up. BankNifty 45,442.35. 1.28% up, while Nifty is up 1.8%, closed at 21,737.60. The power of technical analysis. What did we say on Friday? On Saturday, we put on Saturday, we had said that the markets will not go below the previous week's low. For all the 3 indices, we had said that. In fact, we had even said that bears have to be careful, because it's a powerful reversal that happened on Wednesday. On Thursday, it formed a kind of a candle, which amateurs will think it's a reversal, but actually it's a continuation pattern. That is what we had stated. I would request people to watch my video. So what happened today? FinNifty and BankNifty opened above the previous day's high, that is above Thursday's high. Friday was a holiday, right? So above Thursday's high it opened. That means the opening itself is very strong. Nifty, on the other hand, did not have such a solid opening as that of BankNifty or FinNifty, but it continued its momentum. Why, we will see. Okay, why we will see when we do the analysis part of it. We will just cover it in a moment. So it continued its momentum, and in fact the Nifty powerfully closed, while FinNifty and BankNifty also closed in a solid way. But I would say that the more power was there in Nifty. Why? Because Nifty closed above the Bollinger Middle Band and the exponential moving average. Has it taken that out decisively? My answer will be no. But has it taken it out? Yes, the answer is yes. It has taken the Bollinger Middle Band and 20-day moving average, which is the Bollinger Middle Band, and 20-day exponential moving average. It has taken it out, at least for today. That means now bears have to fight it to bring it below that level. That's point 1. 0.2 as far as Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty are concerned. They are still below the exponential moving averages. Of course, Fin Nifty managed to close above the 100-day exponential moving average, while Bank Nifty is still below that 100-day exponential moving average. So that is how it is. There was a powerful short covering rally which had propelled the market. Of course, as always, you can see that there are only few stocks, handful of stocks that took the market high today. And in the banking sectors, few of the stocks fired, which is why we are seeing such a good up move in all the indices. And HDFC Bank, instead of falling, it rose today, which gave momentum and impetus to all the three indices. Reliance, the sole winner. I would call this innings of Reliance can be compared to that of a Sachin Tendulkar's innings or a Virendra Sehwag's innings, where single-handedly, or a Dhoni's innings, where single-handedly they will lead the team to victory. So that is what happened. Reliance moved up today by 7%. Taking the entire Nifty along with that. Of course, we had other stocks like Adani Group supporting it very well. Of course, we had support from banking as well. But today's the star of the day, man of the match, I would call Reliance for his stellar move of 7%. Obviously, Nifty has to go. Even if any other stock fails, if Reliance moving up by 7%, it has around 15% to 12% weightage in the index. And hence, no, it has to go up decisively. That is what had happened. Now let's go into the analysis part. You can understand analysis part of it. You can understand the power of technical analysis. So many people come and say, oh, this happened, that happened, this is not tradable market. It's a very easy market. They don't know swimming. Then if you don't know swimming, yeah, any level above 5 feet is dangerous. If you know swimming, whether it is 6 feet or 600 feet, it doesn't matter. It is one and the same. So that's the power of technical analysis. I would request people to see my videos. I mean, it's not magic. All the videos are uploaded. It is in the public domain. You can see for yourself. If anybody is finding incongruence to what we say, please put it in the comments. We will give our comments. If it is accurate, I would request that also. You please put it in the comments. So let's go into the analysis. Banks. Yes Bank fell 2%, while AU fell 11%. Why AU fell? Because I think the business momentum was bad, which is why AU fell 11%. Also, one more thing that happened, AU fell 20% for this year. Hence, no, forget any appreciation in this year. People will come and say, oh, it's a right time to buy and all those things. These fundamental analysis, they have to call themselves either fundamental or they have to call themselves technical. Fundamental means they have to stop with the statement that it has to quote at this PE, it is quoting at this PE. That's all. They should not say it's a good buy and all those things. Unless otherwise they claim themselves as technical analysis. If they claim themselves as technical analysis, then we have to go and question them if they have given wrong information, or if their analysis is completely wrong, which is going to be wrong. Hence, one has to be careful with the AU Bank. On the other hand, on the upward side, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, IndusInd Bank, Bandhan Bank all moved up by 1%. You can see that when all these banks fire, obviously Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty has to move. And Axis Bank, Federal Bank and SBI up by 2%, Kotak up by 3%. If you recollect, I had said last week also, I would request people to see my video once again, last week's video. I think Saturday we had very specifically called out Kotak's name. And IDFC First Bank moved up by 4%. On the financial, Chola was a odd man out, I would call, 1% down, while Bajaj Finance, Manappuram 1% up, IDFC 2% up, LIC Housing Finance and M&M Finance 3% up. 3% up. Then you had Jio and Shriram moving up by 4%. On the insurance and cards, SBI cards fell 6%, massive fall. LIC and ICICI Pru moved up by 1%, SBI Life 2% up. Oil and telecom, Bharti remained flat. Reliance moved up by 7%. I discussed that Reliance is a fantastic up move. Hence, Reliance, as long as it moves, it can take the indices along with that easily. On the IT, Infi, LTIM 1% down. Apple, Intellect both fell 2%, 3% respectively. Coforge, HCL Tech, LTTS, Wipro up 1%. Birla Soft and Emphasis 2% up. So you can see that IT also not much of movement, but still Nifty has gone up. Why? Because of Reliance. And of course, HDFC Bank also supported along with ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank and banking stocks supported. Consumer goods, ITC, Pidilite 1% down. ABFRL, Asian Paints, Bata, Berger, Colpal, HUL, Nestle, everything moved up by 1%. PVR and Titan 2% up. PVR has at least temporarily halted its downfall. Hence, no, you will see some up move coming in PVR. It is looking close to the resistance levels. On the automobiles, Bajaj Auto down 1%, Eicher, Maruti, Motherson and TVS Motor 1% up, Ashok Leyland and Escorts 2% up, then Bharat Forge and Tata Motors 3% up. Big move. Metals, SAIL, Tata Steel, Vedanta 1% up, Jindal and NMDC 2% up, National Aluminium 3% up. On the health and pharma, Thyrocare 1% down, Cipla 2% down, Metropolis and Lalpath 1% up, Apollo Hospitals and Sun Pharma 2% up. In the others category, DLF, Indigo, IRCTC, Nykaa, Jubilant Food moved up by 1%, Havels 2% up, Adani Ports and Godrej 4% up, L&T, APL Apollo, Aries, India Mart, Ultratech 3% up, Adani Enterprise and MCX massive move of 6%. So that is why you had such a move. So if you recollect, on Saturday we had said that the support is going to be at the previous week's low. For FinNifty, we are actually saying that in fact it will even slightly close above, because that is too much below unless there is something dramatic happens, because technically it has formed a solid reversal. Hence we feel that January 23rd close, that is at 2137.05, that will act as a fantastic support for FinNifty. And in the upward side, still it has long way to go. Hence 50-day simple moving average, which is at 2804, will act as a resistance. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we'll give the level for BankNifty as the expiry is on Wednesday. Thank you very much.